Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create button symbol. Okay, let's first draw the circle. Select the oval tool and color that whatever you want, and with holding shift key drag the mouse for button. Okay, now select it and convert to symbol, and make sure you have selected here button, not movie clip. Okay, because we are creating button symbol. Okay, so button, and change name here circle. Okay, now double click on the button or button symbol. Okay, so now we are in circle, and this is for the mouse over, mouse out and on click events. Whenever we will do this event, at that time color or anything you can do here, color change or anything. First click on the right click on the over and select insert keyframe. Same way for down, insert keyframe, and same way for it, insert keyframe. Okay, now select any of the event and change the color from here like this. Down, select and change the color. Hit, select and change the color. Okay, now let's get back to the scene 1, and for testing movie our shortcut is Control Enter. Okay, now I am going to do mouse over. Okay, color is changed. Now let's click on this button. Okay, so this is for hit. Okay, that's it.